Alex from Ethyl's Garage here again. It's been a while since we've done an update, so today we'll cover a couple of small projects that have been going on. Today's project is to take some old cabinets we have and reuse them to create a snack and lunch area for our employees, temporarily while we're still setting up here. Our permanent lunch location will be located in the warehouse area once we've managed to get that large pile of books on the shelves. Here are the cabinets we'll be installing today. One large lower cabinet, a countertop, and two wall-mounted upper cabinets. The first step is to reassemble the panels from the base cabinet. The cabinet needs to be placed to allow for space for a mini refrigerator, the door of which opens that direction. And on top of the cabinet, we need to add a countertop. And it's time to test fit a door to make sure we have enough clearance against the wall. And the next step is to fasten the countertop so it doesn't move around. Now that the counter's installed, it's time to hang the other cabinet door and see how things look. The upper cabinets are going to support this microwave oven between them. So now we need to calculate how high the cabinets need to be mounted to allow counter space under the oven. The cabinets are now up on the wall behind me, and the next step is to hang the microwave and finish things up. Now the cabinets are all installed and we can make microwave popcorn, so things are ready to go. All that's left is to uncrate the refrigerator and install it over here. Another project that needs to happen is I need to make a shelf to mount this power supply on so that it's up off the floor so we can sweep and mop under it, and so it's not at risk for being run into by the forklift. This is the shelf that I'll be using, and the first thing that I need to do is figure out how high we're going to mount it. And make a line so that it's level. We need to make pilot holes for the brackets. And once the holes are drilled, it's time to install the brackets. Once the brackets are installed, it's time to hang the shelf. Nice and solid. Now the power supply is up safe on the shelf, and we don't have to worry about spring flooding. And now it's time to unbox our new refrigerator. Install the door handles on it. They don't come attached. There are lots of little bits of tape and plastic shipping covers to remove. And this package has the handles and the screws to hold the handles on. And there we go. Isn't that cute? Now we need to move that into the kitchen area. And here's our new employee kitchen. Just like home, if home was a basement studio apartment when you were in college. Thanks for coming along again to see what's been happening at Ethyl's Garage, and next time I'll actually have something about books. Bye now.